Hello everyone, welcome to another LinkedIn tutorial video. Now in this tutorial video, I will show you how to reactivate your deactivated LinkedIn account. Now in previous LinkedIn tutorial video, we showed you how to go and deactivate your LinkedIn account temporarily or how to put your LinkedIn account in hibernation. Now if you put your LinkedIn account in hibernation, it's a very simple process of reactivating your deactivated LinkedIn account. So let's say you deactivated your LinkedIn account with hibernation. What you want to do is you can reopen your account from hibernation. So as you can see, obviously, if you want to turn on the hibernation, you basically go, click on your profile photo, go to the settings and privacy, you hibernate it. However, if you want to reactivate it or end a hibernation, you just log in with your credentials 24 hours after you hibernated the account. So that's basically how you can reactivate your deactivated LinkedIn account. However, if you want to just reopen your LinkedIn account that you closed, in most cases, you can reopen your account if it's been closed less than 14 days. Now, we're unable to reopen accounts closed for more than 14 days. Unfortunately, there is not an option to reactivate deactivated LinkedIn account that has been deactivated for more than 14 days. So you can reopen your account directly by attempting to log into your LinkedIn account or utilizing the link provided in the original account closure email from desktop or your mobile device. So that's pretty much how you can reactivate your deactivated LinkedIn account. If you have any questions or comments, comment down below and we'll see you in the next video.